Okay, my friends, so everything is now set up, and as you guys can see here, easily able to rotate. It is double side, so on the back side of this, and again, you can have them both like that. So one's covered, you can lift it up like that, lift it down like that, whatever you want to do. It is double sided, so on the back side, it is usable as well, the same exact as the front. Overall, guys, this is really nice. They do provide you with an eraser, some magnets, and marker. Welcome back, my beautiful friends. So today we are setting up the whiteboard. So as you guys can see, it's not a crazy amount of pieces. You got 2 legs, support beams, and probably some bolts and stuff in there. You got the legs there. And then of course you have your whiteboards right here, double-sided whiteboards. Very, very nice. So let's go ahead and set it up for y'all. Okay, my friends, so far, as we're putting it on, the legs go on the bottom of the T-posts. Everything is going great. Everything is marked really good. Everything, they supplied me with all the tools so far needed. As you guys can see, the 2 white bars go like this. Everything's marked off, so, just read everything. It's very simple so far. But the harder part's coming up, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, next step of the way, you put on this piece. Now, they have white sticker pointing up. That's the way that's going to be pointing up. So keep that on, mount it up. You're going to use 2 screws, one on both sides up there, and then 2 screws down here. Everything's lined up perfectly. The screws that you're going to use are going to be these. So keep that in mind. So far, this is actually really easy. All right, once you align the board like this, so have this down, and as you can see the screw right in here, that's gonna rest right in there for now. Eventually you're gonna tighten that, but for now, you're gonna set the board like this, line it up in place, and then on the other side, you're gonna put these screws right through here. So you got this bracket on the back. On both sides, there's 3 screws you put through. So you're gonna put these screws through there. Now all you have to do is apply pressure. I can't do this shown. Actually, you know what? Here, we can go ahead and do this. Hopefully you guys can see it. If not, because I need 2 hands for this. So what I do is I hold the board with one hand. I grab the screw like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Put it on the screwdriver. Apply pressure. And then twist a little bit. And that makes me poke a hole and make a hole. And then we just thread in the screw. And we're good to go. Just like that. Okay, once you got the back screws in, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lift this up. It's hard, it's hard to do holding a camera. But what we're gonna do, lift this up, and now you see the screws exposed. You're gonna thread that screw in. Okay, so before you put the other board on, go ahead and peel off the protective, not paper, but plastic that's covering the boards. So on both sides, take that off. Now this says that it, requires 2 people to do it. So far, I've been doing it by myself, and I've had no issues whatsoever. This has been very, very easy to set up. Okay, now once you have the other board on, you probably will be able to keep it upright like this. So before you go and put the 3 screws on the side, now you're gonna go ahead, screw this in first because the weight and the level of it, you're able to do that. So put that in first, and then on the other side, screw that in first. I mean, you can do it the other way, but it's just easier to remember this way. Okay, my friends, so everything is now set up, and as you guys can see here, easily able to rotate. It is double side, so on the back side of this, and again, you can have them both like that. So one's covered, you can lift it up like that, lift it down like that, whatever you want to do. It is double sided, so on the back side, it is usable as well, the same exact as the front. overall, guys, this is really nice. They do provide you with an eraser, some magnets, and marker. So it is magnetic, which is nice. Well, that was my fault. Alright, guys. So as you can see, it works great. They give you black, red, and blue markers.